I would like to submit that there was a very puzzles for our core committee members for the registrations of the members for the participants in the link. So there are more than 8 or 9 participants have made the registration as a single and both. A.K. Parikh, Bhattacharya, Kothari, Chaudhary, Kamlesh, and so on. So like that, so many members have done the registration 2 times. NC Shah, Yadav, Nishant, PP, RS, Sharma, and so on. And one member has done the 3 times. And that is YK Sharma. और वो डिजिटल द्वीप पे आपको ले जा रहे हैं.
सर जी,
यस सर.
एक्चुअली आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम शुड नॉट अलाउ. यू शुड से दैट कि इट इज ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड. यू आर अलाउइंग हिम.
So today we have arranged one lecture of the Shaumil Khandatia on the cyber security. I request the Chairman of the Society of Power Engineers, Mohit Dilwali sir, Secretary of the Society of Power Engineers, B.P. Arani, the Secretary of the Institute of Engineers, Deepak Bhai, and also the Keyur Thakkar, the Chairman of the Institute of Engineers, Vadodara Local Centers. Give a big hand to our today's speaker, Shaumil Khandatia. So I request the Mohit Dilwali sir to welcome the participants and the speakers.
Good evening, everyone. Respected members seated on the dais. Our speaker of today, Shaumil Khandatia. Other members seated of the dais. Ladies, today I am happy with the attendance. It is quite a bit. That is really something that is worth appreciating. But I wish our other meetings also are like this without these pauses. That means more members should be there to attend our normal functions also. But anyway, one good thing has happened, we have got a good attendance. And more so because the topic is so important that I don't think there is any one person, maybe just one or two, who have not gone through this cyber crime. I have gone through it 4 times, not once. As Takalkar sir said, my factory invoice was prepared by some other person with just one change in that GST number. Instead of 1, he had put I, and the other person could not notice it, and he did transactions worth lakhs of rupees. We complained, nothing happened. They said, have you lost any money? I said, I have not lost any money, but my name is being spoiled. The police is not bothered about that. Police said, have you lost money? Then we are here. I said, I have not lost money, but I lost my name. In a business, name and money also go together. I think nobody realized it. Just recently, some trainee engineer, he copied all the data that we had prepared for the last 45 years. Circuit diagrams and all sorts of information, manuals, everything. We called him for training, and he took a pen drive and he wanted to take all the data. I mean, just simple people like us, if we are being harassed like this, I mean, so many different As I think Umesh Bhai also said just in the meeting, last month meeting, that APK 5, even I had got that APK 5. So this Vahan is that you have committed some crime and all those things. So basically when it is happening to me, it must be happening to every one of you. Maybe just one or two maybe exceptions. And more so with the ladies, because when we are working in the factories, so many people come, they are all using mobiles, they are getting so many messages, do this, do that. And in a hurry, they try to open something, then a lot of things can happen. In one split second, you may be losing crores. I have got digitally arrested myself just 6 months ago. Although I could immediately make out and I stopped it, but they tried to do it. They sent some parcel containing some illegal stuff. We'll do that, everything. So I have gone through. So similarly, everybody must be having his own experiences. So it is such an important topic. Even I am interested to keep my factory data correct. But as somebody told me, our Microsoft or so, every key that every computer is being pressed, that is being noted by the Microsoft or maybe other institutions. So I don't know. They know everything what we are doing. So I don't know what we are talking about security, privacy and all those things. But anyway, it's such an important topic, and I think it is a very good topic that we have chosen today. And we have got a very good speaker today, because I have gone through the biodata of his, and I'm really surprised the kind of activities that his company and he as an individual are doing. So we are all eager to listen from him. Instead of listening to me, it is better to listen to him. Thank you very much.
So I request the Keyur Thakkar sir to welcome the participants.
Namaste everybody. On behalf of Institution of Engineers, I welcome you all, the dignitaries on the dais and all my friends of the dais. I know you are all here to listen to Saumil Bhai, and I'll not take much of your time, and I'll request PSR to please go further. Thank you.
I request the dignitaries on the dais to lighten the lamp. So I request the Deepak Bhai, the Institute of Engineers Secretary, to tell about the activities of the institutions of the engineers.
Hello. Good evening, friends. Welcome to a digital hygiene seminar. We have known people from both the sides sitting on the dais, and there are a lot of known and unknown faces. And I would like to see the audience, entire auditorium should be full, and people should be sitting on the corridor. Then I see that the program is success. How many of you are about 60? I'll ask rather, how many of you are below 60? So it's easy to count. So it's a easy count. Below 50? Oh. What happens, let's say at the age of 60 or 70 you fell down. आपका यहाँ बॉल जो हड्डी है वो टूट जाए and you become bedridden. What happens? आपका हेल्थ आप चल नहीं सकते हो and lot of other बीमारी आपके जीवन में आ जाएगी and you lose your health. Similarly, man is financially strong. See, man is absolutely healthy and suddenly he fell down, he met with an accident and he loses his health. Similarly, at this age, most of you are financially stable. You already earn enough money. And if you meet with a cyber fraud, it will spoil your financial health. So this is very important. And I believe that you will get a lot of tips. क्या होता है fraud? Everybody knows that fraud happens in the society. But then what should we do? What prevention? So that we can become safe. So Institute of Engineers is basically started in 1920. How many of you are engineers? Very well. Engineer and not a member of Institute of Engineers? Many. So, like you should get connected or you should connect yourself with the Mother Institute. Institute of Engineers is the Mother Institute for all the engineers. It started in 1920 and this is one of the largest professional organization in the world. No country, nowhere. There were more than 8 lakhs members, 125 centers, and it was started in 1920, one of the oldest 15 disciplines. So you name the discipline and it is there in the Institute of Engineers. We used to give a degree, AMI, everybody has heard, and AMI people can do MTech, they can appear for UPSC exam, so it is equivalent to B. Then charter engineer, many of you are doing business, if you write charter engineer as a label, it basically increase the value in the government organization when you are competing in some of the tenders. Professional engineers is an internationally recognized degree. How many of you are with engineering college associated currently? Professor teaching in engineering college. Sanjay Bhai, one of the best faculty, mechanical. He is basically has done wonders in the industry and he is doing wonders in mechanical engineering, one of the good faculty. So, if you come across, everybody has an engineering student in and around in your family. Make sure that they become either a student member or they become a member. There are a lot of benefits if they are doing a project. Institute of Engineers are giving financial help. They give scholarship, they give awards for the project that they do. And if they happen to do a student membership, they get a lot of discount. Let's say I am a student and if I become a member of the Institute of Engineers, when I become a professional member, I get good discount. So anyway, Institute of Engineers is giving membership to the Institute of Engineers free of. You really don't pay because when you get into a profession and when you try to be the member and since you are a student member, you really get more discount than what you pay as a student member. So anybody and everybody who has an engineer in your family, make sure they get associated. See the kind of program that we do. Even if we attend at least 8 to 10 programs, we do every Saturday one program. So 52 programs on every Saturday. Plus we do almost 32 programs a month. So if you say that almost 70-75 programs in a year, even and all of them are basically, we make a best effort to get the best faculty over here. I don't want to take much time since I have seen a lot of people and a lot of new faces. So I thought that let me talk about the Institute of Engineers, where you should be. And thank you very much for coming in a large number. And I hope that at the end of this program, your financial health will not get disturbed because of any cyber crime happening with you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
So I request the V.P. Arani, Secretary of the Society of Power Engineers, to say few words about the Society of Power Engineers.
Dignitaries on the dais, friends, members of the SPI. I will not take much time, but regarding SPI activities, all one knows very well, so I will not go through it. But regarding the speaker, he is very well known and really you will enjoy it. હવે ગુજરાતીમાં કહું સાયબર સિક્યુરિટીમાં દરેકને કંઈક થયું છે, મને પણ થયેલું છે. એમાં મોસ્ટલી શું છે કે શેર માર્કેટમાં જે લિંક આવે છે ને એમાં તમે કરો તો થોડા ઘણા તો જશે. હવે ગઈકાલે એક વેહિકલનું એક આવ્યું હતું કે ભાઈ આમાં તમારા સ્કૂટર નંબર સાથે કે ભાઈ યુ હેવ ટુ પે રૂપીઝ 1200, લિંક ધીસ એન્ડ યુ વિલ ગેટ. બટ વેન આઈ ગો થ્રુ એટલે જોયું so it was from USA. So luckily I was survived. So I had not gone through it. So be careful, and sir is very well known. I will explain very nicely to all. Thank you, sir.
So I request the KUB Thakkar sir to welcome the speakers by presenting the Tulsi plant. I request the V.P. Arani to honor the speakers by presenting the bouquet. I request the Tilvalli sir to honor the speakers by presenting the small gift. So about the speaker, Shaumil Kandadia, born in the month of July 1983, give a happy birth month up to Shaumilji. So he born on 27th July. So he has done his SSC from St. Xavier Schools, Bombay. He has also done the pre-university in cyber security from the Mithibai College, Mumbai. Then he has done the course of TAFE University, Australia, Diploma in Networking and Cyber Cafe. So as far as core competencies are concerned, so he is a Cisco, Project and Program Management, Info Security, VAPT, Data Privacy Compliance to DPM, GDPR, CERT, RBI and SEBI also. Cyber Threat Intelligence also he has done. He has done more than 130 certifications. Give a big hand for such a talent we are having. So presently he is working in the 7 Hills Cyber from April 2023. Previously he has worked as a head cyber security in Force and the data privacy, information security, cyber security, pre-sales analysis and so on. As far as awards is concerned, he has received 3 awards. One is the Infosys award based on the cyber security. Second one, cyber security phase in 2025, means previous year, and also he is a recognized speakers and trainer for cyber security awareness. So these are the speakers biodata. Now I request the Shaumilji to start his presentation. I request the dignitaries on the dais to take the seat on the front of the dais. Thank you very much.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Yeah, that's it. Huh. Yeah, just good evening. And first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. From learning in an institute to engineering to giving a session in an engineering institute, it's really an honor and privilege to me to be part of this dais. So, पहले मैं just एक fair idea बताना चाहूँगा कि आज के session में I am not here to tell you what not to do, what to do. This all are you all are like huge experience, huge કે મારા કરતા હજારો દિવાળી વધારે જોઈ હશે તમે લોકોએ. સો હું અહીંયા કંઈ આ કરો ને આ કરો એના માટે so I am not here to say that. Today, what I am going to tell you about it is I am going to show the hacker's point of view. That how does the hackers trap? What are those modes of operandi does a hacker uses? How a mental trap along with a simple tool. Hacker does not do any rocket science. Hackers does not do any rocket science. They just play with the mindset. They just play with the timings of your mindset and then they trap you up. It's a simple thing. So it's almost we normally also involved in many activities where we interrogate the cyber criminals. And then we understand कि mistake was from the other side and he grabbed the opportunity. Mistake सामने वाला करेगी ना and उसने वो opportunity उठा लिया. So to start with, we are going to start a small exercise, right? Because you are an engineer, so so this is me as I am a cybercrime first responder, and also I make sure that cybersecurity is good for individual, for a company, and for the environment. It's all three basic structures we do. And I am also responsible for training MP Police, Gujarat Police, Maharashtra Police, Crime Branch, and also MEITY and Home Affairs also I take some sessions. But due to very restriction, secret things, I will not be able to declare more stuff on this dais, right? And I am an official cybercrime responder registered under NSD, that is National Security Database, as a cadet for other operations also, right? So thank you again, and to begin with, I am not going to ask you what is cyber security. હું એ નથી પૂછવાનું. બધાને ખબર છે cyber security, everybody know कि वो एक digital environment है जहाँ पे हमको secure होना है, and that is what the cyber security is.
Good evening everybody.
But are we securing ourselves? So how does, let's play a mind game. Can we do a small exercise, everybody together? Can we do a small exercise? Everybody with me, keep your hands straight. Everybody keep your hands straight. With me, right? Let's do this exercise. Now what we have to do is, let's do it together. I am also be performing the same activity with you, right? So let's bring, right? 1, 2, 3, let's bring your hand, start. Let's bring your hand to the chin. Let's bring your hand to the chin.
Action speaks louder than words.
And this is what we as a hacker take advantage for. I am clearly shouting, let's bring the hand to the chin. But I am sure 80% respected dignitaries over here would have kept the hand over here. It's just because I have done it. And that is the first time as a hacker I am successful. Because I know now I can correct. Simple exercises, nothing. So these are the types of cyber attacks which are happening. And these are the security which we follow. And that's the fact. अगर मैं कल शाम का सिर्फ आपको रिपोर्ट दूं, so Gujarat loses around 11.25 CR a day. Last time we met it was 9 CR, sir. It has increased. 11.25 CR a day. And ये तो जो कंप्लेन करने जाते हैं और जो रिकॉर्ड होती है, there are many people who say अरे 1000 रुपया गया है जैसे कंप्लेन कर रहा है, पैसा तो पाछा आवाना है. So this is the type of cyber attack which is this. So I am not a slide oriented guy. मुझे practical दिखाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So what am I saying? I am going to perform it practically in front of you. So this is a type of cyber attack, and this is what the security is. Now coming to next, this is the condition of all of us who think that we are safe. From the image, next time I'll try to get more Indian version of the image. जिसमें वो एक movie आया था, मिथुन is behind the cycle and is trying to shoot it with the gun. I'll get more Indian variant, but the specifically is this is the condition. When we see that nobody is watching us, we see that nobody is looking to us, but we are already exposed on the digital. Now, are you think sitting over here, are you all safe? Are you all safe? On the digital platform, obviously. Now, how do I prove that? So everybody has their mobile phones with them. So let's do it practically, that how good you are available on the dark web. Are you available on the dark web or not? તમારો ઈમેલ એડ્રેસ ના કારણે તમે ડાર્ક વેબ પર અવેલેબલ છો કે નથી. Let's do it practically. And I'm going to show it practically. It's not that I'm just going to read the slides. No, you can trust me, sir. Right? So on your mobile phone, just open this website. Have I been pawned? It is haveibeenpawned.com.
Same spelling, PWN.
It is HAVEIBEEN PWNED. Does the website open? Website खुला सबने? Have I been pawned? खुला? Now what I want you to do is, sir, enter your email address. Enter the email address and just click on check. And the lucky number, the highest number, gets the chance to come on the screen. Just enter the email address and just click on check. How much, sir? 1. How much? 6. 6. 9. Super, sir. 9. 3. 1. Sorry? 13. 2. Super.
It's not
0.
allowing type.
So now, slowly I have started getting numbers. That there are 3 breaches, there are 6 breaches, there are 13 breaches, there are 9 breaches. So, can I have one email address here?
skjoshi@ieee.org.
Yes, sir. Email.
skjoshi@ieee.org. @ieee.org.
So try to give personal email if possible. SRAVAL 66 @gmail.com. 4 data breaches already there. So how many breaches? Okay, I'll just check. Okay, just a minute. First, let me explain that. Now what does this say? ये क्या बोलता है? So are you breached? No. There is a chance you may get breached? Yes. Those who are 0 need not worry. But those who are having at least one number need to worry. Now worry in the sense is how? For example, these are some of the data of yours is already available on the dark web. Not नीचे like email address, employers, geographic locations, job titles, names, phone numbers, social media profiles. Sir, yes sir, your email address? Two data breaches. Right? So what is the first thing you have to go home today? आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स के जितने भी मोबाइल है उसमें पहले इनका ईमेल एड्रेस डाल के चेक कीजिए कि कितने ब्रीचेस है, नहीं है तो कौन से हुए. Now can you, I showed you that image, right? Now you can relate that image with this statistics. That data is already available on the data. And what kind of data? You can see if this is, there is an email address, name, phone number, physical address. Email address, email messages, IP address, names. And there may be various. So if you got 13 number, there may be many things. Maybe purchase history also at some point, right? If I'm not wrong. I don't want to share it, but it may be a purchase history also. Now I would like to show you how as a hacker what I do. Normally I give you a random form to fill up. In that you just had filled name, email address, phone number. अब आप बोलोगे यार ये 3 डिटेल्स देने से क्या हो जाएगा? मेरा काम एज अ हैकर चालू हो जाएगा, मेरी रोजी रोटी मिलना चालू हो जाएगा. एंड हैकर इज द बेस्ट कम्युनिटी सर. दे विल नॉट स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन टुडेज डेटा. इफ यू हैव फील्ड एनी इंफॉर्मेशन दे विल नॉट वर्क ऑन दोज इंफॉर्मेशन नेक्स्ट डे. They will start filling the information or they will start working the information after 4 to 5 months. Till that you have forgot कि पिछले 3 महीने में आपने कहाँ क्लिक किया था, पिछले 3 महीने में कौन सा फॉर्म है. Simple mind games, you know, hand to the chin. और ये information कौन देता है? हम ही देते हैं. For example, if we are going out, we are checking in into some hotel. Maybe we are on a leisure trip with a family trip, or maybe we are on thing. हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोग easily, you know, we go to check into the hotel, और वो हमारे पास आधार कार्ड, वो क्या मांगता है? Photo identity. And what we give? Driving license. Give driving license. Aadhaar card is your main identity. It's a government identity. What we do next? If we need to give an Aadhaar card, why don't we give it a must Aadhaar card? He just requires that you are an address proof. He doesn't require an Aadhaar card number, right? Only 4 digits. And it is not I who is masking it. मतलब मैं पेंट ब्रश या सर का कोई डिजाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करके मैं उसको मास्क नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am masking it and downloading an official masked Aadhaar card from the government website. Now government has included that masked Aadhaar card for some reasons, right? But what we do is, and sometimes तो हम इतने out of box जाते हैं कि वो बोलते हैं I don't, मेरे पास hard copy नहीं है, तो वो बोलते हैं आप WhatsApp पे भेज दीजिए. So एक unknown होटल के अननोन लोकेशन पे एक अननोन पर्सन के अननोन रिसेप्शन पे हम हमारा आधार कार्ड भेज रहे हैं. एंड आधार कार्ड मास्किंग इज नॉट अ चैलेंज टुडे सर. आई कैन क्रिएट एनीबडीज आधार कार्ड. आई कैन शो यू. क्रिएट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प आधार कार्ड. इज अ हॉट टॉपिक राइट नाउ. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प आधार कार्ड. पुट इट, यूज दैट. I can tell you, we have caught some people. आप उसको 1600 रुपीज में आप उसको बोलो कौन सा रीजन, कौन सा स्टेट, कौन सा सिटी और कौन सा एरिया का आधार कार्ड चाहिए. He had a network from north to south, east to west. And what we do is easily उसके हम we are तो giving him directly. Come to next. So as a hacker मैंने क्या किया, मान लो आपसे कुछ डिटेल्स दिया या कुछ फॉर्म भराया है, कुछ हम लोग जाते हैं राइट. हम कभी भी मॉल्स में गए या कहीं पे भी गए तो वो लोग मांगते हैं ना, कैन आई हैव योर फोन नंबर फॉर द बिलिंग पर्पस. हैव वी एवर आस्क्ड फॉर व्हाट? वी गो टू होटल्स. For billing, they take phone numbers. For what? I am eating in your hotel. Why do you require a phone number? I am going to wear a blazer of the money what I have purchased. Why should you require a phone number? Then they will give you a reason also. Sir, billing. Now tell me one thing. How many of you have purchased the things and reviewed the soft copy which you got online? No. I don't think so. I never do it. I never give it only the number. But what happens is, we never review. But हम देखे क्या आते हैं, हम बैंक से जुड़ा हुआ जो फोन नंबर है वही चीज हम वहाँ पे देखे आते हैं. We don't understand that phone number is associated with my bank account, with my Aadhaar card, with my PAN card, and with all the crucial information which I'm doing. And then we only ask, खबर नहीं कि तो हैक થઈ गया. Hacking is 70% my fault, 30% is hacker's skill. Make it, I can state this ratio with facts. 70% is my fault, 30% is hacker's skills. Now I'm telling you why. So I saw, for example, आपने कहीं पे वो email address भरा, फॉर्म भरा, मैंने देख लिया आप ऑलरेडी डार्क वेब पे हो. What is the next मैं आपका पासवर्ड पैटर्न अंडरस्टैंड करूँगा. So, sir, can I use your email again? Any other email? So, use your email. Now this website will help me to get your password patterns. Okay, whatever I am saying, it's just for learning purpose. Sir, can I use your email? Yes.
K. RE.
This is used to understand the password pattern. और हम क्या करते हैं हमारे
double F.
This is your password pattern, sir. I not retrieve it, but is this your password pattern? Right? You confirm it, right? So what I got is his password pattern. And that is the reason why we say कि आपके सब websites का password same नहीं होना चाहिए. Because of this. अगर एक पैटर्न मिल गया तो मुझे बाकी सब का पैटर्न डॉक्स का मिल जाएगा. And I tell you, sir, how dangerous is giving our phone number and email addresses. I would like to show you. I'm just sharing it. I have to close the screen for the page part. So my motto is not to scare you up, but I'm actually showing you कि एक hacker क्या करता है. So next time जब आप किसी को भी phone number या कोई details दोगे, तो at least you'll ask them कि for what you want. And I have a solution also, how to do that, how to restrict that. See, sir, as I told you, I'm not a slide reading guy. I rather than like to show more practical. Because practically what I'm saying, I have to prove it. Sir, I have used your email. Just by your email, how much information can I grab? Right?
This email kept for this purpose only.
Thank you, sir. But for this purpose, can lead to so much information. I'll just drop down. It's more to connect. Sir, I just typed your email address. What you want to do is, you have to just confirm me are those details are right or wrong. You can come in front, sir.
No problem. Email ID is okay.
What can you do?
Phone number is okay. Second phone number, no, that is wrong.
Anybody part of your family must be owning this number.
Address is okay. Address is okay, but that is old one, no problem.
Sir, just confirm the document number.
Aadhaar card is okay.
But that's it I want. That's it I want. So this is your new address. And I don't know you, sir. I'm coming for the first time and meeting you. So ऐसा भी नहीं लगना चाहिए कि पहले से pre document लेके आए. So that was your old address, and this is your new address. And what you shared me, sir? Only? Just by typing an email address, I got respected sir's address, phone number, Aadhaar card, everything.
If you change the, let's say, password, let's say if you change the email, maybe the password change there, still somebody will be able to.
Yes, because he was already breached. There are 13 breaches.
So how you get out of it?
So this is basically, I am part of dark web. So I can fetch the data. I can understand what is this data. So this is how the hackers pull the data.
I understand. How you get out of it? Somebody.
I'm coming to it, sir. I'm coming to it. First, I would like to say that what are the effects in that. I'll show you, sir. I'm coming next to that. I'm coming next to that. Now what happens is, right now what I'm doing as a hacker is information gathering stage. आपने फॉर्म सही भरा है कि नहीं? मैंने आपसे कुछ फॉर्म भराया, कुछ डिटेल्स दिया, या आई एम जस्ट रिकन्फर्मिंग योर डेटा and it is right? So now what I have is, I have your entire horoscope or digital horoscope. Now what I'm going to do is, entity profile. So that is your answer. He may get a database, but if he has a habit of changing the password, some data may be a dump data. Not all, but some may be a dump data. So we saw the list, right? Email address, phone number, physical address, document type, purchase information. This is all the data which he holds. Now the next activity what I am going to do is to reply you to sir. Now after information gathering, ये information gathering मैंने कर ली, उसके बाद मैं next क्या करूँगा? I will try to weaponize you. अब वो weaponize करने के लिए मुझे आपसे connect बनाना पड़ेगा. So basically connect कैसे बनाऊँगा? There are three things. I know your interest. Now your interest is maybe highlighted on the Facebook or on your status page or anywhere I can find the dots. Now to gather that interest, right, I will make sure I will create my own fake profile, because as a hacker, Somil will not meet sir as Somil. So to do that, and this can be fetched either from email address, from phone number, from Instagram ID, from Facebook ID, anything. You give me any data perk, I'll be able to fetch it. So then I will start create my fake identity as a hacker. So say random 45 to 54, country India, state random, generate. हरभजन प्रसाद संभव, ये बंदा ही नहीं है. This is non-existence profile. but ये प्रोफाइल इतना स्ट्रांग है कि मैं अगर ऐसा प्रोफाइल पे काम करके आपको भेज भी दूं, आप बोलोगे यार यार is there. And I will match it to your interest. You like ghazals? I will speak more about Jagjit Singh. You like cricket? I will speak more about Virat Kohli. You are religious? I start with Jai Dwarkadish. I want to take that confidence of chin and head only. And you see, I have my hair color, eye color, everything. See, height, weight, gender, hair color, eye color, blood group, everything. Everything is fake, sir.
Is it a dynamic profile?
Yes, you can keep on showing.
No, what I'm saying is that when I see the profile, I see different interests. When somebody sees the profile, automatically he sees a different interest? Or
No.
That is what I'm saying.
No.
When I said
So
dynamic,
what I do is, I use this information, create my account on Facebook. See, मैं खुद profiling करने जाऊँगा तो मेरे से mistake हो जाएगी. So these are the tools which will help me to create my profile. I'll create it on Facebook. It will be static only.
so maybe AI will come out with that when somebody sees that a religious person see your profile, he sees something different, and I see you see something different.
So that is an algorithm which can be set by a hackers, right? Because they are also using AI. And today we are in हम वो stage में है जहाँ पे machine learn कर रहे हैं और intelligence artificial होती जा रही है. I am not against technology. AI, ML is very good. But the problem is machines are learning and intelligence is going artificial. AI can take a job. No, AI cannot take a job. AI can do things better, which will help me to do my work better. Right? So it has credit card information, and this website, it's not only about it. I can create a fake credit card also. I can create a fake credit card also. Most from the credit card. So which card you want to create? So make in India, RuPay card. See? And all those expiry dates are ahead of today's date. You can check it out. और मेरे 20 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसे टाइम पे एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है, क्या इसको यूज कर सकते हैं? आई एम कमिंग टू दैट सर. सो ऐसे टाइम पे मेरे 20 साल में ये क्वेश्चन एक आता है कि ये यूज कर सकते हैं. सो उसके लिए हैकर्स आर आल्सो मैथमेटिशियंस. There is a validator and there is, it's a dual algorithm. जो हैकर बैठ के एक एक नंबर आपका प्लस मतलब ऑल दैट कॉम्बिनेशंस ही विल सेट इट. फिर तो क्या है, उसको एक प्लास्टिक कार्ड लाना है और वैलिडेट करना है, एंड ही विल ट्राई टू यूज इट ऑन अ फॉरेन वेबसाइट्स. हम लोग को एक आदत है, हम होटल्स में जाते हैं ना एंड बिल आता है तो हम कार्ड देते, कार्ड उसके हाथ में दे देते, वो लेके जाके बिलिंग काउंटर पे चले जाते हैं. आर वी सीइंग हिम वेयर ही इज टेकिंग द कार्ड? आर वी चेकिंग वेदर ही इज टेकिंग अ फोटो ऑफ द कार्ड और नॉट? आर वी क्रॉस चेकिंग वेदर वो क्लोन कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है? For our thing, what you are doing is you are giving a card in hand, okay. और हम उसको बोलते भी है टैप एंड प्ले, टैप एंड प्ले. So pin number is not required. It's tap and play.
लिमिट आ जाता है ना, एपेड प्ले में लिमिट आ जाता है, उसमें तो वो 5,000 ही ले सकता है.
But still, sir, 5,000 is. I am not worried about that 5,000, sir. I am worried about that cloning. But we don't do that, sir. How many of we have that setting, right? I tell you, if I say an average, 40% will only keep the tap and play off. 20% will only keep the card disabled. जब चाहिए तब on करो, तब वापस disable करो. There is a feature, but we don't use that. There is a feature of Aadhaar locking. How many of you have locked the Aadhaar card? There is a feature of biometric locking. How many of you have used the feature of biometric locking? None of us. Aadhaar locking? I'll try to, sir. It's in the app, or I can show you once it's in my app. So you can download Aadhaar app and you can do that. Or you can visit UIDAI website, उनको पूरा steps दिया हुआ है. So you require a VID for that. Simple. So this is fake ID. I have created a fake ID. Now actually I'll start weaponizing. Attack phase starts now. Now I am 100% sure the information is perfect, email address is perfect, available on the dark web, but I have to also worry of one thing is multi-factor authentication. Mobile पे भी SMS आता है, right? Then we approve and then it goes ahead.
There is a new scam happening and it is so easy, even you might fall for it. So if you're someone who does a lot of online shopping, this is specially for you. So basically, a person will call you and tell you that your package is out for delivery and ask you to call the delivery boy. So when you ask him for the delivery boy's number, he will tell you to dial *401* followed by a mobile number. Now if you ask why there is a star in the number, because that's just weird, they will tell you that it's a company number and you have to type the star to call it. And that's where the scam happens. So if you type star 401 star on your phone followed by a mobile number, all of your calls are forwarded to that mobile number. So now you know how easy it will be for the scammers to get your call and your OTPs on their phone. There's another version of the scam as well. So the scammer will randomly call you and ask you if your internet speed is good enough. And if you say no because internet speeds are never good enough, they will ask you to do the same thing with star 401 star followed by a mobile number to increase your internet speed. I mean, it is pretty easy to fall for the scam, so please make sure you forward this video to your friends and family. Stay alert and see you tomorrow.
So हमने सुना रहेगा कितने लोगों को कि मेरा WhatsApp हैक हो गया, मेरा Facebook हैक हो गया, 2-factor authentication का फिर भी हैक हो गया, मेरे को फोन ही नहीं आ रहा है. क्यों नहीं आ रहे? It's just because hacker has pulled a trap and he has forwarded the calls and SMS on his number. And nowadays that is common thing, especially for the the parents group like you and the children group like my child. Internet slow आ रहा है and they are very crazy. Internet slow आ रहा है, ठीक है. You and me will not bother, but there is a many और fast चाहिए. And they call it a star 401 hash star, enter this number, then all the OTPs, all the SMS, all the particular forwarding is happening on that. We have a habit, right? Sometimes in our families, people order something from Amazon, order from Flipkart, online shopping. What we do? The product निकाला, जो चीज आई वो हमने बराबर रख दी, बॉक्स वैसा का वैसा पूरा फेंक दिया. Without understanding that that box has so much information. My 20 years of career with full authority I can say sir कि जितना डेटा मुझे एक कचरे के डब्बे में मिलेगा ना, उतना डेटा मुझे कंप्यूटर में नहीं मिलेगा.
But that information is available. But that information is already available to the guy who delivered. So that information is anyway, because the guy who delivered, even if he destroyed, he has that information.
Right, but sir, he is authorized to deliver. So we have his identity.
But he can take the photograph and give it to somebody.
Possible, sir.
So whether we throw that or not, that information is
Sir, but I
available.
tell you, what are the hackers' place? As a hackers going to do, normally they have a set where they go and search for this information. See, the guy who is delivering may be a good guy or may be a bad guy. But the person who is going and searching in the dustbin is 100% bad guy. His intention is also only bad. And there is a term in ethical hacking. If you go and search on the Google also, you will find it. It is called as dumpster diving. Dumpster diving, where you dump the garbage and the hacker dives into it. Dumpster diving. D-U-M-P-S-T-E-R. Dumpster diving.
What about OTP?
So they are asking because you must be getting an OTP from the Amazon. He must not be. But I tell you what is the way out. I'll tell you what is the way out. Right? So, this is one thing. Right? So if you want to check whether in your mobile the call forwarding is on or not, it is star hash 21 hash. If you type in your mobile phone and just click on the call button, you will be able to come to know कि आपका call forward हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ. And this number is not given by me. You can trust me. This number is given by TRAI. TRAI, Telecommunication Regulations of India. Yeah, it is star hash 21 hash. You can try, sir. You can try. Huh? Yes. So it will say disable, disable, disable. Yes. So you will get disable, disable, disable. If you get enabled, you need to cross check whether you have done a forwarding or it was forwarding. Not forwarding. Yeah, that's a good sign, sir. Call forwarding. So you have done that forwarding. So not forwarding, right? Not forwarding, right? Voice not forwarding. Sir, maybe a network issue. You can retry it. It's an MMID also. Not forwarding. Forwarding? It is there. Conditional forwarding is on. That is good, but no forwarding is all disabled, right? Not forwarding. Has been disabled. So the ideal answer to this is it should be disabled. Unconditional was enabled. So in case if you are saying anything enabled, what you need to do is, it is #21# to disable all call forwardings. So call forwarded is the heading. In that there is a category, voice not forwarded.
Call forwarding unconditionally
Then it is voice.
for all basic services, connection problem or invalid MMID.
So it may be an MMID network issue, otherwise it would have been there.
But
Or-
suppose he says #21#.
You can click
So
it.
again it should say not forwarding.
Not forwarding.
That is it.
I'll take the question, sir. I'll just finish the session. I'll just finish this, please. That person cannot find. Sir, it is very difficult in today's world. Because where you have given me don't know. I'll answer that question for this session. Right. Okay, so there is many things to show, sir. I'll just get back to you once I finish this session. Right. Okay, next. Now, once I know that forwarding is there, everything is there, now I will come and send you the email. That is called as phishing. Phishing is nothing but I try to become the owner of the company. I send the mail to your employees stating that I want something, but I have not sent you. I think this call forwarding one. I'll just get back to you in that case. Once. Okay, I'm going to show phishing practically. Phishing is something where I send you a fake email where the actual sender is not there. Actual sender doesn't know. Now I want two helps from you. मैं किसको मेल करूं और किससे मेल चाहिए वो दोनों आप ही बताओ. On the spot. I have not done anything pre-prepared. So,
So, receiver is Vadodara LC at ieindia.org.
Vadodara.
LC at the rate ieindia.org. .org.
From, let it be your member only, anybody. Any from iIndia email only.
Yeah, it could be from mine. KEMA.
So that mail is accessible to anybody right now?
Yeah. I'll get the laptop. I'll have to get the laptop. Yeah.
or your email is accessible?
My email is there.
So I'll do one thing, I'll send you the mail from Vadodara to you.
Yeah, fine. Reverse control.
What control?
Yeah. KEMA EPC England Pune Chennai EPC KEMA
KEMK.
A for
KEMK.
Ahmedabad. EPC England
EPC.
Pune Chennai @gmail.
Sir, do you have that same identity?
Sorry?
IEC.org ऐसा कुछ है?
Gmail.
Extension is Gmail or IEC.org?
Gmail.
Okay.
Gmail.
Name,
Secretary Vadodara Local.
secretary. Just one.
चलेगा. It doesn't matter. So, it
You must
doesn't.
have received the mail on the Gmail. Now it's just because of Gmail, right? I need some script changes, so it will exactly look like. It came?
It will come from Vadodara LC. Should I check it spam only?
Or it will be in the inbox. It will be delivered in the inbox. It will come, sir. It will come. Just once you receive, let me know. Do you have any other email with IECindia.org, which is accessible? So can I send a mail to myself from IEC? Send to you. Yeah, I can have that. Vadodara secretary. I should receive a mail from Vadodara secretary. And sitting here, nobody has mailed me. So till the mail comes, you got it, sir?
No, not yet.
Just refresh it. It should come. So till the mail comes, what is the next activity I do? In this email, I will be sharing you one link, a phishing link. जितना पण phishing emails चे जितने भी phishing emails है, I don't want you to reply back. I always want as a hacker that you should click on it. I will give you a link to click on it.
Yeah, I see.
You receive?
Yeah.
It's on inbox or junk, sir?
It was in promotion.
Promotion.
One second. We can make out actually, sir.
Sir, that is I will have to because I have to prove ethically. I can change the scripts and I can do whatever. If it could have been official to email official, it could have been the exact domain. But for Gmail, I have to take a permission from Google to make those changes in the scripts. Otherwise, it's an hacking activity. Right? So then you must be seeing a binary number kind of thing in that. So if I can remove that binary thing also. So if that's why I said if you have IECL 2 domains, or if you have your company email, right? One of your employee from your company can send an email to you with your domain, I can do that. So for example, you have a Roshni IT services, I can send it to you from Roshni domain.
That we get many times. Number of
Right? So this is phishing activity what is there. Now, what I do is, this is examples. I can create any attack. So what practically I am going to show you is one kind of other attack. So I want you to select the option. It should not be look like I am come with a pre-aligned. So आप option select करो इसमें से.
Yahoo.
Yahoo?
Yeah.
25. Local host. Can I have somebody to come here and enter the username password? Thank you for trusting me.
This is not the actual Yahoo thing.
And that is the only look I want in every training. Q. No. Yes. And so whatever phases I am showing you, जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये actual hacker रोज अपने दिन में करता है. Okay, sir ने username password डाला. Sir, I just finished this in time. Sir ने username password डाला. इसे जो उनको लगा उन्होंने कहीं कुछ गलत डाल दिया रहेगा, शायद टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुआ रहेगा, इसलिए वापस इट वेंट टू याहू. एंड आप क्या करते हो, उसको री एंटर करते हो. हमको लगता है ना कभी कभी मेरे से टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुआ रहेगा, इसलिए मैं एंटर करता हूँ और वापस वो उसी पेज पे खुलता है. राइट? बट नाउ व्हाट इज हैपन सर ऑन द बैकग्राउंड सर, दिस इज यू हैव एंटर्ड. I have captured username and password both. And I didn't select the option, right? You only said Yahoo. So now your SMS are forwarded. This is how the attack happens. Now I have your username and password. You thought you are entering on a Yahoo web page, but this attack is called as a man-in-middle attack. जहां पे मैं आपको पहले अपने पेज पे लेके आता हूं, अपने पेज पे वो एंट्री करवाता हूं और बाद में आपको वो एक्चुअल पेज पे पुश कर देता हूं. और आपको क्या लगा कि शायद आपने टाइपिंग मिस्टेक किया रहेगा, इसलिए वो पेज वापस खुला. That was not a typing mistake. Deliberately, you were told to come on my page. Deliberately, I told you to enter username and password. And just because you don't get where you went and from where you go, I just diverted you to the actual website. So the takeaway of today's session is, wherever the username password comes, I have a habit personally to enter the username password wrong at first attempt. सब मुझे बोलते हैं 20 साल से आईटी में है भुलक्कड़. आई एम हैप्पी. इट्स बेटर टू कॉल्ड भुलक्कड़ रादर देन हैक्ड. सो जब भी मुझे कोई फॉर्म आता है जहां पे यूजर नेम पासवर्ड पूछ रहा है, आई मेक श्योर दैट माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इज ऑलवेज रॉन्ग. Irrelevant of I am on a right website or not. It's just safety protocol I follow because I know what they do. I do that, sir. I do that. But normally in net banking also, we don't have a habit. I am 100% sure every person sitting here will never use virtual keyboards. Virtual keyboard.
In the bank, the last thing is always .bank.in. That is basically what they have done today. Now, all the banks,
Yes.
HDFC.bank.in.
It has just come.
Yeah. So,
But sir, now hackers have also found the way out where they are registering multiple subdomain DNS of the entity.
still, they don't get .bank.in.
Not, sir, that's what, subdomains entity. Subdomains entity.
You look at that only those
So
four
exactly,
words.
but not everybody look to the web page,
Those
right?
4 words you
Not
look for.
everybody look to that address. We never do. Right? And once I get the username and password, it is hacked. This is hacked. But that's not the end. Nowadays, one new system is on that is called as QR code. हम सब जगह QR code scan कर रहे हैं. So I am surprised. I go to a hotel, I order a coffee, and they say, can you just tell me what kind of coffees do you have? So that particular fellow tells me, sir, the menu is available on the table. You just scan it. And what we do? We scan it. We order a cappuccino. But I am not sure whether that scanner is validated, is authenticated or not. So what I want you to do is, sir, I require two honorable people to scan this QR code. But before scanning, what I want you to do is keep your phone on the airplane mode for 5 seconds, remove it from the airplane mode and then scan that on the data pack. If I would have done, I would have not be able to confirm the data. So can anybody scan? And Android phones is advisable. How you are doing? Anybody, you're done? Okay, let me tell you that website, the QR code what you are scanning will only take you to my company's website. So there was one training I was taking it, and what happened is there were 350 people all declared as spam. I have to confirm with those things, okay, this is my website, it's not a spam website. So this is my company's website, which is for practical purpose I am using it. Have you scanned? Your choice. Why I am giving you this instruction is because it's an ethical activity. If it could have been unethical, it would have directly popped the websites.
He is asking for the location.
Oh, so much scans. Now, can you just scan again? Just scan. So મને આવી સોશિયલ એક્ટિવિટી કરવાનો બહુ શોખ છે. તો મેં એકવાર છે ને હું જ્યાં રહેતો હતો ને ત્યાં એક આવી રીતે QR કોડ મૂકી દીધો અને મેં કીધું સોસાયટીનું કામ જાણવા બદલ આના પર સ્કેન કરો. સૌથી પહેલા સેક્રેટરી ટ્રેઝરર અને ચેરમેને સ્કેન કર્યું. So my question was, why did you scan? I was expecting a question that who put this QR code? We have not. Huh. Sir, open. Okay. Most likely. Thank you. Somebody is having a battery level of 55%. Another. Rest 2 iPhones. Anybody who has all scanned other than that?
iPhone, I have seen that.
46% battery and 49% battery. Who has recently scanned? 49%. So just by QR scanning, sir, I am able to get your battery level, I am going to get your make, I am going to get your screen size, I am going to make your versions, and I am going to just study your mobile phones. What versions, what make, everything in that case. Touch phone, enabled, what are those features, enabled, yes, no, everything. And then what? I will have to just send a ransomware. Just want to send a APK file. So what is the solution? If you ask me, as a solution in my personal life, what I do is, to all those, I keep two accounts. One is saving account and other is operational account. Saving means saving. I will never use that saving account QR code on the Pani Puri shop. I keep two bank accounts, saving and operations. महीने के स्टार्ट में जितना मुझे चाहिए वो मैं सेविंग अकाउंट से मेरे ऑपरेशनल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करता हूं. नंबर डिफरेंट, phone numbers different. And in my saving account, I will use that Happy Days mobile phone. I call it as Happy Days means वो एक छोटा सा फोन था नोकिया का, रेड बटन, ग्रीन बटन, लाइफ वॉज वेरी गुड. उसमें आप रेड बटन दबाओगे तो कट मतलब कट, यू आर बिजी. आज उसमें अगर मैंने फोन कट किया तो व्हाट्सएप कॉलिंग, व्हाट्सएप कट किया तो व्हाट्सएप वीडियो कॉलिंग, वो कट किया तो मैसेज कॉल. आई एम नॉट, जब तक मैं उसको फोन उठा के बोलूँ नहीं बॉस आई एम बिजी, आई गिव यू अ कॉल.
व्हाट्सएप पे देखते हैं कि ऑनलाइन देखते हैं.
सो आई कॉल दोज डेज टाइम पास के लिए जब स्नेक गेम थी, वो मैसेज टाइप करने के लिए भी थंब एक्सरसाइज यूज होता था, बट बेस्ट डे. सो दैट इज द ओनली मोबाइल यू हैव टू कीप फॉर योर सेविंग अकाउंट, ओनली फॉर OTP, नो स्मार्टफोन्स. एंड देन ट्रांसफर इट टू न्यू अकाउंट, योर मंथली सेविंग्स में से थोड़ा जितना आपका ऑपरेशन है वो आप उस पर करो, एंड देन यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दैट फोन नंबर टू मैकडोनल्ड्स, जूडियो, पैंटलून्स, जो मांगता है बिलिंग पर्पज के लिए दे दो. एंड आई एम नो प्रॉब्लम. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज द रिस्क एपेटाइट इन दैट अकाउंट वॉज मोर. It has lowered down to. I am not saying you are risk free, but जहाँ पे आप 10 लाख का रिस्क लेके चल रहे थे वो आपका 30,000 का रिस्क. I always wonder. Sometimes I have a habit. So I don't know my daughter is lucky or unlucky, but she is under continuous monitoring of the digital usage under me, right? She is 12 years old. She also delivers lectures for cybersecurity. But she is under my continuous monitoring. Right? She takes programs like Good Click, Bad Click. Good Touch, Bad Touch को सीखते ही. What about Good Click, Bad? So she is under monitoring, and I always assume that status उसके friends के status is Good morning, brushing the teeth status. And one worst thing which we have, right, you know, that is Facebook updations. Please stop it. There was one team of robbers I was interrogating. मैं उसको बोलूँगा कि वो robbers की IT gang थी. IT department of robbers. उनका काम क्या था? जितने भी खाली घर है, उसकी information अभी, this is a very active group called as Chaddi Banyan Gang, which is उनको वो इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसीड करना, एंड देन दे विल डिलीवर एम्प्टी हाउसेस फोड़ के जो वॉट एवर शेयरिंग इज देयर. मैंने बोला हाउ मच यू अर्न, ये सब करके कितना कमा लेते हो? बोले 1.5-2 लाख मिल जाता है 2 मिनट के लिए. तो मैंने अपना बायोडेटा टेबल पर रख दिया. एंड देन आई रियलाइज नो आई एम इंटरोगेटिंग, आई कीप इट अगेन. सो आइडिया इज Now who gets them information? हमको आदत है वो. Traveling to Singapore from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yo. What we are doing? We are telling them, boss, house is empty. And they say family trip begins. That means entire family is going. And some are so very helpful. They say 10 days family trip begins here. टेन डेज फैमिली ट्रिप बिगिंस तो वो चोर भी अपना शेड्यूल में करेगा ओके ये तो 10 दिन के बाद आने वाले सो 6 days better to attend. અને દેન જ્યારે આપણે સિંગાપુરથી પાછા આવીએ કે કોઈ પણ જગ્યાથી પાછા આવે ત્યારે આપણે શું કે ખબર નહીં ચોરોને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડી કે ઘર તોડી ગયા અરે તમે જ કહીને ગયેલા જથા પહેલા તમે જ મૂકીને ગયેલા ને અને આપણે ડાઉટ કોના પર કરી મને તો ઓલો સોસાયટીનો વોચમેન મળેલો લાગે છે અરે નથી એને રોજ આવવાનું છે તમારા સોસાયટી. This is same like you are putting a banner outside the house that nobody. Why don't we understand that social media, it is media. It is media. So we don't know who all are seeing on the media. I'll just take the question, sir. Just give me. It's a media. How many of you have taken out of the way a box to lock our profiles? આપણે પોતાના ફેસબુક ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ યુઝ કરવામાં વાંધો નથી ઇટ ઇઝ અ વેરી ગુડ થિંગ બટ લોક કરો પ્રોફાઇલ્સ. એક ઓપ્શન છે પ્રોફાઇલ લોક કરવાનો. હું માનું છું કે આપણે બાજુવાળાને પાડવા માટે કેવું પડે હું સિંગાપુર જઈ આવ્યો હોય પણ આવીને પણ એને પાડી શકીએ ને આપણે. લો સિંગાપુરના ફોટા ઓલું ઘર ફૂટી ગયું તો એ જ કે યાર શું યાર મોટા ગાયડા ને સિંગાપુર ઘર ફૂટી ગયું ને. સો આઈડિયા ઇઝ it's just because we want to show okay I'm traveling to okay show there is no problem in showing but don't do it before it is happened. Do it once it is done. You can also write had a wonderful trip at Singapore. We traveled Singapore. your का इफेक्ट तभी भी उतना ही रहेगा जितना पहले था. But then once it is happened then put it. It's not just before you do it. And many people I have seen putting boarding cards, passport photos. Airport पे they do your boarding card traveling to Singapore.
ગપ્પા મારતા ને એટલે આવું બધું થઈ જાય.
But sir, there is a case in Baroda itself that entire family went to outside country and with the help of the boarding pass which had their PNR number, which had everything number, their reservation got cancelled. You are going in a flight and remember there is no return flight. So that is so much sensitive information we keep on this issue. Right? So this is about QR code. Now how do I trap you on the other stage is the last activity. I know I'm running out of the time, right? Do we have a website, sir? What is the name of the website? The Institute of Engineering.
India.org.
India.org. Institute of Engineering.
First.
Yeah, this is the one?
Yeah.
કેટલા લોકોને ટેલિગ્રામ પર રહેવાની આદત છે શેર માર્કેટના ટિપ્સ માટે? Telegrams is only used for three things. Either I want to download a movie or I want to get a share market tips. How many of you don't understand that downloading something from an unknown website can lead to a problem? And I tell you how. This technology is called as steganography, where I am going to hide something inside the logo and send it. You'll only come to know it's a logo. But there is a hidden ransomware inside it which is used for that. So I have copied your image. Understood. This is the logo. This is the logo. Proper. Proper. Save as JPG. Download. OG. This is OG, that means here it is your original logo. Okay, this is your original logo. I am uploading it and I am putting a example, I am putting some scripts. अब આ scripts પણ એવી હશે કે it will not run today when you download. It will run after 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You never ever come to know. Scheduled timers. So I have just put a script. I will hide the text. I will save the image. Modify. This is your original logo and this is your modified logo. Now you tell me the difference. This is original. This is modified. Any difference?
No.
Any difference? Now come to original. What is the KB of that logo? 6 point? And what is the KB of the modified logo?
270.
Why? Because it has an inbuilt code attached. And that's why we always say not to download anything from any unknown websites or unknown links. Right? Considering the time factor, this is only the practical I would have been in a position to show you up. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Thank you.
Waiting. So we can have a question answer. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Is it possible to make a study or a research where you can give an inbuilt safety whenever whatever information you give, whether email or phone number or Aadhaar, that the person who is retrieving information based on that, he has to take my consent before. If that inbuilt safety can be incorporated, then he can never retrieve the information.
Agree, sir. That's the right idea. But currently what we are doing is, sir, that stage is supposed to come. What we are doing right now is, sir, we are doing dark web monitoring. So dark web monitoring is first, wherever those data are available, first we need to remove that out. So first we need to empty, we need to disable, or you can say handicap the dark web. We are doing a research on that for dark web monitoring part, and that will be, if your blessings are there, we'll soon get a walkthrough on that.
Okay, Shambhaji, please come on the dais. Shambhaji, please come on the dais. Yes. Plus, introduce yourself.
My name is Mihir Tamani. I am a data engineer. My question is Truecaller, idle to use or not? Truecaller. Mostly everybody is using Truecaller.
So now I tell you why. Truecaller should not be used, but because of so much spam calls, we don't have other options to use that. But again, I make sure that Truecaller is on the other number, operational number, rather than my banking number. Because banking number is not given to anybody.
Okay, any other question? Yes, Sarmaji.
Yes.
Hello, I don't have any question, but I just want to recommend one movie. One movie that Pritam and Pedro recently by Rajkumar Hirani. I just seen 2-3 days ahead. It's a wonderful movie, and whatever sir has covered, mostly the things are there. And જેના ઘરે 8 થી 10 વર્ષના છોકરાઓ હોય, અને it is the second part is on gaming. So I feel that every one of us should see that movie. It's a Rajkumar Hirani, Pritam and Pedro. The name of the movie is Pritam and Pedro.
Sir, in that there is one tool called as Wi-Fi satellite mapping. Right? So we who have performed the test for that satellite mapping.
Yes, Sarmaji.
Yes, sir.
मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल है, आपने इतना फ्लैट कर दिया है, तो वी वांट टू नो व्हाट्सएप सोशल एक्टिविटी के लिए काफ़ी यूज होता है, और व्हाट्सएप पर सीनियर्स इसमें ज़्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं, ये सोशल एस्पेक्ट है, तो इज इट डेंजरियस? नंबर 1। फेसबुक और जो अदर एस्पेक्ट है, फेसबुक तो वैसे भी डेंजरियस वी नो, लेकिन फेसबुक हैक होता है, ये बात सही है, लेकिन उसको हैक न हो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
So there are two questions which I would like to ask. Is WhatsApp good, bad? No technology is bad till it is handled on a right way. So nowadays, rather than technology, it is very important to train humans. So humans firewalls are the most important thing. मैं कितना भी technology लगा लूँ, but I have a habit of clicking. So there are 3 things. Hacking क्यों होता है? पहला लालच, second डर, तीसरी एंजाइटी. If these 3 can be controlled, then it's a very wonderful one. First, I hope I answer your first question. Second, Facebook hack ना हो, उसके लिए 3 चीज़ है. First of all, my account should not be open to everyone. I should accept the friend request only from those people to whom I know. And third, I should have a multi-factor authentication. कि if I am logging in, the OTP should come in. But what happens is, sir, we sometimes visit any multiple pages जो authenticated भी नहीं है. And then we give our data from our Facebook. Though my profile is locked, but I am feeding some unknown pages with the information. Should not be an idle thing. Never visit any cross pages across the Facebook. अगर आपको वो वेबसाइट अच्छी लगी तो उसके एक्चुअल वेबसाइट पे जाके वो इन्फो मिलता है. क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म आई डोंट एडवाइस.
Yes. Yes, sir.
સાહેબ તમે ડેબિટ કાર્ડનું ક્લોનિંગ અંગે વાત કરી, તો એ કેસમાં એ ક્લોનિંગ થતું હોય એ વખતે કોઈ એલર્ટ કે એવું કંઈ ના જનરેટ થઈ શકે કે જે પેરેન્ટ ઓનર છે એને ખબર પડે કે ભાઈ તમારો કોડ બીજો કંઈ પહેરી રહ્યો છે?
સર આમાં એવું છે કે
Come here.
આમાં એવું છે.
જી જી.
એમાં ઓડિબલ છે?
હા, yes, sir.
સો આમાં એવું છે સર કે એવું જ છે કે હું કોઈ વસ્તુ મારી બહાર ભૂલી ગયો છું.
હા
હવે ભૂલી ગયો તો આઈ ડોન્ટ નો કે કોણ એક્સેસ કરશે, શું એક્સેસ કરશે,
હા હા
રાઈટ? પણ એમાં એવું છે કે ઇફ માય કાર્ડ ઇઝ ક્લોન બટ આઈ હેવ પુટ અ ટેમ્પરરી લોક ઓન માય કાર્ડ, સો nobody would be able to use it.
બરાબર.
But cloning, again, it is not available because we don't know how it is cloned. So there I can say I was investigating one case in Mumbai जहाँ पे DMart के अंदर कार्ड क्लोन थे.
રાઈટ.
The person who was at the cashier, he was a hacker. And he took the job just to make sure that he gets maximum strips.
સર એમાં ઇનરન્ટ સેફટી તરીકે એવો કોઈ ફીચર્સ એમ્બેડેડ થઈ શકે?
So we have to keep, that's why we say that we need to keep our card temporary lock always. So for example, I have used it. Once my use is done, I'll put it temporary lock.
ના તો એ કેસમાં 4 નંબરના ટેબલ ઉપર મારું ફેમિલી બેઠું છે અને રિમોટ કોર્નરમાં એનું કેશ કાઉન્ટર છે, તો એવરી ટાઈમ આઈ શુડ ગો પર્સનલી ટુ
Yes.
સ્પોટ?
Yes. I don't appreciate to give the card in his hand to do the swipe.
રાઈટ, તો પર્સનલી કરવું એ સેફ છે.
Yes.
સર એક બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે આ બધા હેકિંગ ને એ બધું થાય છે, તો ફાયર વોલ અથવા તો એવી કોઈ પ્રોડક્ટ એમાં ઇન્કોર્પોરેટ થઈ શકે કે જે એમાં મદદ કરી શકે?
Sir, I am always believer કે હું એઝ અ હ્યુમન જેટલો ફાયરવોલ થઈશ એટલો હું પોતાને સેફ રાખી શકું. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, મેની પીપલ આસ્ક મી કે હું મોબાઈલમાં કોઈ એન્ટીવાયરસ નાખું. બહુ લોકો મને પૂછે છે મોબાઈલમાં હું એન્ટીવાયરસ નાખું, મોબાઈલમાં કોઈ એવી ટૂલ નાખું. હું એને કહું છું ના. એનો રીઝન છે ના. એનો રીઝન છે કે ભલે મેં મોબાઈલમાં એન્ટીવાયરસ નાખ્યું પણ મને બધી જ જગ્યાએ ક્લિક કરવાની આદત છે, તો એ એન્ટીવાયરસ પણ કામ નહીં. હવે જસ્ટ ટુ શેર વન થિંગ, મારી પાસે એક ટૂલ છે, રાઈટ? હવે આઈ જસ્ટ ટ્રાય ટુ શો. I just come down just to demonstrate. Sir, would you mind opening my mobile phone? एक बार ओपन करना ट्राई करना. ट्राई करो, बेस ट्राई करो, सब्सक्राइब केस. हाँ नाखो ने તમને મન ફાવે. માની લો મોબાઈલ તમારા હાથમાં આવી ગયો છે અને તમે ઓપન કરવાની ટ્રાય કરો છો. Sorry, sir. हाँ करूँ और मैं ओपन करूँ. એપ્લિકેશન જ્યારે મેં નાખ્યું ને 55 અટેમ્પ મારા વાઈફના હતા. રાઈટ?
Okay.
And it's not like that. Somebody who has tried to. Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Last question from me.
So I just finished, sir. This
Sir, I have
finished this. So it is not only about who has tried to lock also, open the lock also. It is about who has unlocked also. So I have successfully unlocked. So I get my full unlock. So why I use this is, as I say, for example, after Srinathji jaiye, तो mobile बाहर मुकता है. So I on this happen. It is who touched my phone.
Sir, I have two questions.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Here. Sir, I have two questions. One is, in between you are talking about the difference between virtual keyboard and physical keyboard. This is one question. And another thing we heard that nowadays, data are sold, like my phone number, my bank balance, those are sold.
I already showed you the sold data already. So virtual keyboard is only for the banking applications. Right? It is not possible for have a regular operation for the virtual keyboard. Second, the data is sold. Yes, it is sold, and whatever data which I showed of respected sir was a sold data on the backward.
How to remove it now?
Sir, no.
Okay, last question.
Sir, I have locked my phone with this.
One question
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have locked
Sir, I
my
just-
phone with
yeah.
emergency lighting. Suppose something happens and I fall down or somewhere and somebody wants to open it to tell my what should be done?
Sir, first you should block your SIM, and there is remote swipe. Everybody has this. Find my phone. Find My Phone is now a feature of Gmail. From anywhere you can wipe your phones out in that case. And then you can register into the Chakshu app and register your phone with the IMI number. So उसमें कहीं पे भी सिम दूसरा कोई डालता है तो वो तुरंत हेडक्वार्टर्स अलर्ट हो
My
जाए.
question is, it's a face recognition or my thumb recognition, and that is my lock system. So if I fall down somewhere and someone wants to complain that I have fallen down to my relative, how he will open, sir? Or how he will convey?
Sir, in that case, it is basically one emergency number is already there. If you click on that, it will directly dial to the emergency. Yes, sir.
ओके सर, हैकर्स कितना कमाता है वही बता दीजिए सर.
One side. All the savings bank accounts which are opened by anybody being not my wife, they are given a debit card, and that debit card is being used for making payments at the malls and shops and all other places. How dangerous is that?
Sir, that's why I always recommend to have two accounts. One is your saving account and other is your operational account. Where operational account can only be used for your operational purpose only and not the saving part. And dangerous part is, sir, if you are keeping your debit card temporarily blocked, right? So it is protected, but again, dangers remains active if you are swiping at any other place.
But how can I lock because I do not know how to do that?
Sir, in your mobile application, if you are using a mobile app, there is an option called as temporary block. That you can do that, sir.
सब हैकर्स कितना कमाता है वही बता दीजिए. हैकर्स कितना कमाता है?
No limit.
Yeah, let it sir. And what is this direct benefits?
I don't know about hackers कितना कमाता है, but ethical hacker बहुत कम कमाता है उतना कमाता है.
Okay, I now request Deepak Bhai to honor the speakers by presenting the certificate from Institute of Engineers, Vadodara Local Centers. Give a big hand to our speakers, and everybody has enjoyed this lecture and updated their knowledge. Let us have a national anthem. Please stand up on your seats. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे राहे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की. Let us join for the dinner. There are 2 counters. Be safely and take